The division operator is used to divide one numeric operand by another. It performs division on the values of the operands and returns the quotient. The operands can be of types such as int, float, double, or decimal. When using integer operands, the result is also an integer, and any remainder is discarded. This is known as integer division. If one or both operands are of floating point types, such as float, double, or decimal, the result is a floating point number that includes the decimal part.